Hai teman-teman semuanya, kami masih berada di Belanda dan tepatnya kami berada di Den Haag. Dan di belakang kami adalah kerajaan di Belanda ya. Dan I don't know what to say.
I think Fina is a little disappointed by how small it is compared with Buckingham Palace.
Yeah.
I think the whole royal family in the Netherlands is less kind of important in a sense, or has less a world role than the royal family in Britain.
Yeah. So, ya teman-teman, saya agak sedikit kecewa karena yang saya pikirkan adalah istana yang luar biasa besar dan megah seperti yang berada di Buckingham Palace ya, yang berada di Inggris. Tapi ternyata ketika kami jauh-jauh datang ke sini dan hanya ingin sekali melihat istana itu ya, karena saya suka dengan keroyalan. Tiba-tiba saya tidak melihat apa-apa ya, nggak ada pengawal-pengawal yang berdiri di depan istana.
No guards in front.
Nggak ada, ya pokoknya kayak di Buckingham Palace, jadi saya agak sedikit gitu ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa deh, tadi saat kami jalan, kami sudah melihat ada Indonesian restaurant, jadi sedikit mengurangi rasa kecewaan dikit ya.
Well, exactly. Fina has seen a few Indonesian restaurants, and therefore I think we plan to go back there fairly soon
Yeah.
to enjoy a delicious meal. And certainly it is very different. Of course, yeah, like I've said before, that the it's less prominent, the Dutch royal family, than the British royal family. I think it's also much smaller and I think more informal as well. I think it's one of those monarchies which, you know, they call the bicycle riding monarchies, like Sweden and Norway and Denmark and the Netherlands here. And I shouldn't say Holland, I should say the Netherlands.
Ya, well, teman-teman ya, kalau begitu saya bisa bilang hidup Inggris ya, hidup dengan King kita ya, walaupun saya tidak suka dengan Camilla ya, tapi saya nggak peduli orang-orang dengar banyak dan memang saya orang yang suka berbicara langsung. Oke teman-teman, nggak mengurangi rasa kesedihan atau kekecewaan saya, kita akan terus jalan di Den Haag dan tentu saja kami akan terus membagikan kalian yang setia bersama The Adventure of Fina and Tim. Yuk ikut kami terus. Ya teman-teman ya, aku bisa melihat sedikit warna-warni dari bunga tulip ya, ada ungu, putih, merah, dan oranye ya. Itu yang akan kami bisa lihat besok karena kami sudah booking tiketnya ya. Jadi tunggu aja ya perjalanan atau adventure kami di tulip di bunga tulip besok ya. Ikuti terus.
So, what are my impressions of The Hague? It has a much smaller feel than Amsterdam, which after all is one of the major cities of the world, I suppose. But it's an important place, of course, in the world because it's the site of the International Criminal Court. And it's also, of course, the site of the King of the Netherlands, and therefore it is an important city, but it's a small city. I suppose the main thing is it's a small place, but it's actually very, very nice. This seems to be the central axis of The Hague, or Den Haag, and that there looks a very interesting building. I must later try to find out the history of that. It's lots of coloured tiles on it, and then there's a large brick church over there. On this side is a restaurant, De Goede Hoofd, and then we go round again. There's the big department store, H&M, and so this is like, I suppose, generally considered the centre of the whole place.
Kami masih terus berjalan dan rasanya tuh lama banget ya kalau kita menginginkan sesuatu, dan tadi sih udah kita lihat ya, tapi kok rasanya nggak sampai-sampai gitu kan.
Exactly. Well, that's right, yeah. But we are looking forward to an Indonesian style meal. Well, not Indonesian style, it will be a real Indonesian meal because I'm sure that the staff there will be native Indonesians.
Ya betul teman-teman ya, dan karena sudah lama sekali saya tidak merasakan yang namanya lemper, risoles, dan tadi saya lihat ada menunya di sana ya. Kita terus berjalan dan kita menikmati suasana di Den Haag. Walaupun pada saat sekarang ini cuaca nggak begitu mendukung ya, agak sedikit dingin dan saya merasakan sedikit ada hujan ya. Mudah-mudahan besok akan lebih baik sekali, tapi nggak garanti karena besok kita akan pergi kemana coba?
Tomorrow we're going to the big display of flowers in Keukenhof, which is near Amsterdam, and so we've already booked a ticket to go there.
Iya.
And we're looking forward to that.
Ya, yuk ikuti terus teman-teman bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim. Dan jangan lupa dong kasih like-nya.
Your place or mine, don't waste my time with phone.
So teman-teman, kami sudah sampai di restoran Indonesia dan kami sudah siap untuk menikmatinya, ya kan?
We are indeed. We're looking forward to a delicious meal. Both dishes very good. Fina has got some sticks of satay, and I too have some, but I have also a great variety of food, which looks very, very appetizing. We are now back at Den Haag Station. I think I have pronounced that right. Anyway, in English it's The Hague. And we're back at the station. We've seen the Royal Palace. We've had an Indonesian meal. And we've bought a couple of garments, one for Fina and one for me. So it's been a pretty successful day.
Absolutely, ya. Teman-teman, ya. Hari ini sangat bahagia sekali kami bisa datang ke ibu kota Belanda ya, di Den Haag. Dan kami juga merasakan masakan Indonesia yang luar biasa enak sekali, dan bahkan aku juga membawa lemper pulang. So teman-teman, terima kasih ya untuk kesetiaan kalian bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim. Dan jangan lupa ya untuk kasih thumbs up-nya dan juga untuk komennya. Dan untuk kalian yang baru menemukan channel kami, boleh dong kalian untuk subscribe, ya kan? Oke teman-teman, sampai jumpa lagi secepatnya. Kalian take care ya. Bye.
Bye. Nor a lady, not in the way she walks, the way she talks, or the way